My name is Sandy, and I am here to tell you a little story about how I happened to become a patient of Dr. Van Scoyoc. My husband and I lived in Florida for a good number of years, and while living in Florida, I had to have extensive crown work done on my molars. And when we were preparing to come here to North Carolina, I asked my dentist, who I had a great deal of respect for, how would I go about choosing a periodontist in North Carolina? And he said, that is absolutely what you need to see. Just get references, find out who would be the best candidate for you to possibly have in the Pinehurst area. And that is how I became a patient of Dr. Van Scoyoc. I have been seeing him for 10 years. I know they will be celebrating their 10th anniversary coming up soon. And with his care and his recommendations and the care I've had coming in for having my teeth checked, the cleaning, it has been a superb experience for me. And the staff, everybody works together, they are a team. So I wanted you all to know this. This is my feeling, and you will also have a wonderful experience and wonderful recommendations to keep your teeth in the most superb condition they can be in. Thank you.